With over 22 years of establishment, Weiken.com is an interior design company providing one-stop service aimed to delight customers with our friendly, attentive service. Our team of 60 designers and 5 outlets are well-trained and experienced in matching clients' requirements and preferences with the latest and best available solution and design for every individual. Our interior designers listen to all customers' needs and concerns to create a tailor-made 3D design plan that best suit their lifestyle and personality.
As a testimonial to our work quality and services, Weiken has been awarded the BCA and HDB Builder, Redec, B-Safe Star, Spirit of Enterprise, Singapore Quality Brand Award, and Case Trust Accredited Business Partner. We understand that renovating your house might be a big financial commitment. Therefore, we work hand in hand with partners such as OCBC, DBS, Maybank, RHB, and CIMB to provide comfortable and affordable renovation loan to our customers.
At Weiken, we care for a renovation journey, which is why our We Care department is formed to maintain and build good relationships with customers at all times. We take before and after sales service seriously and address all customer concerns efficiently.
To stand by our work qualities and commitment to provide post-renovation services, all renovations come with 2-year warranty for our customers. So you can rest assured and start your renovations journey with Weiken.com.